name's Clint Holderby, and welcome to the second annual end of the year celebration for BWHS Robotics Club. I'm really proud to be a member of this organization, and thank you all for taking the time to spend this evening with us. First off, I want to say that I feel like our program has been a major success over the last 4 years. It has grown from initially around 6 people to now we have 30 plus students in our organization. We started off with 2 teams. We now have 4. And we're planning to also extend that amount as we go into the next few years. We had an amazing season. This was a really banner year for the Robotics Club, and I just want to go over some of the team winnings this year. And I'll start off with Team Gold Dusk. They won 2 design awards and a state tournament semifinalist, which was a Worlds qualifier this year. Navy Knights won first ever tournament champions for BWHS Robotics Club. That was excellent. Women of West, they had a tough year this year, but I went through the rankings, and every single tournament they increased their rankings. So may not have gotten any awards, no trophies out of it, but they learned a lot, and they could really show their improvement from tournament to tournament. And I'm looking forward to what these young ladies can do next year. I saved our senior group, Blue Dawn, for last. They had an amazing year, and it's really special for these guys because they're the team that started this club. Have been here with us for all 4 years that West has been open, and these guys just have a special place in my heart, as all my robotics kids do. And again, like I said, they stuck it out with us for all 4 years, even with this craziness at the end. But their awards are as thus. So they earned 2 tournament champions during the season, which again is a first for us this year, alongside Navy Knights. They won a skills championship, which is a first for this year as well. And then another first, they earned a state tournament championship award this year. So excellent job, Blue Dawn. Since I'm talking about those guys, our seniors are Dalton Ratliff, Torrin Height, Olivia Morse, Zach Allwood, Josh Palk, and Ahmed Mustafa. Again, these guys have been with us through thick and thin, and I really appreciate their dedication, and not just to their team, but to the club. I'm sure a lot of the other members are going to miss these guys and can attest to, what they've taught them through the years. But don't let me just say it. I'm going to go ahead and give them a chance to explain themselves through the interviews that we conducted. Thank you.
Winning state this year, because I've been working towards that like my whole robotics career. So winning that was just such a big moment for me.
Me and my team got the Excellence Award. It was a very big moment. We hadn't really done like anything major at that point yet. And I mean, it was just such a big moment, and also it was very emotional for everyone.
Really once the game's done, everything, and just the awards, and everyone's just celebrating, and we just go out for McDonald's afterwards, just all of us hanging at McDonald's.
Before high school, I was very quiet, and I didn't really like to talk to people or be social. But in robotics, the position I ended up in, I kind of had to work with other people, and I had to, make sure to get people to do things and communicate with others. So it really got me to open up as a person.
This helped me learn to better work as a team, which is a very good skill to have, and it has also helped me to be able to problem solve better.
Communication is the biggest thing that I've learned the entire time. And then teamwork, being able to assign tasks to other people and share in the success and failures. It's not all on one person, but it's on the team as a whole. And once people understand that, it becomes so much easier to communicate and continue on and, not be as sad about the failures, but be more proud of yourself for the things that went right.
With something like this, where you're putting in hours and hours of work to perform and do well, when you don't meet your goals, don't give up. Just get back up, keep going, try again. And eventually you'll get there. It's what I did, it's what my whole team did, and we did it. So
to listen to what the people who've been at it for a while are doing, because they know what they're talking about.
Being able to divvy up the work, not only one person can work. Even though you have a builder, the builder is not the only person that can build. Anybody on that team can build. And if you're a designer or something, you are obligated to listen to everybody else, because not all the best ideas come from just you as a designer, or just, your builder or your programmer. It comes from the whole team.
Excellent advice from our seniors. Just kind of recap there. I really appreciate what these young men and women have done for our club and what they've had to say. Yeah, absolutely. You need to listen to experience, guys. They have the understanding and the knowledge to be able to help you out, but also don't be afraid to do your own thing, to try something. And whenever you're trying something, realize that it might fail, and failure is okay, because along with failure, we have perseverance. We don't give up, like Torrin said. One of my favorite moments with these guys was the tournament where Blue Dawn's robot just quit working. Just stopped. We had no idea. And these guys were right here was the semifinals or final round. I can't remember. And their robot stopped working, and they started to try and figure things out. We were changing the battery, we were changing the program, we were changing our Cortex. We couldn't figure it out. Nothing was working. It was probably a good hour and a half hour just working on this robot. And I saw all stages of ready to give up in every one of the members. I mean, we were all, worried that we weren't going to get it working, so we're frustrated. They had every opportunity to give up, and they didn't. And they figured it out. There was one wire that had a screw in it, and it was causing the entire robot to short out. They replaced that wire, they took the screw out, and man, it started working. And they went on to do really well in that tournament. So again, don't give up, guys. Perseverance will get you through a lot more than giving up will. And finally, just like Zach said, you got to find the balance in everything. Find what you're passionate about. Let's balance that out with some perseverance. Let's balance that out with, enjoying your time here, enjoying your friends, and it's just being part of the team and part of the club, part of the moment. I want to go ahead and move on to our next segment, which is our sponsors. Before I get there, though, the first shout out I want to give is to our parents. We could not do this without you. You guys are always dedicated and willing to help. Have had parents donate equipment. I've had parents donate food, money. It's been excellent. You guys, again, we could not do this without our parents, so we appreciate you so much. We have a few honorable mentions we want to take this year, Walmart being one, Levy being another company that's new to us that helped us out this year through giving us opportunities to fundraise. Thank you very much, Levy. And our sponsor of the year, this is a company that's new to us as well. It is Movista. Thank you all for everything that you've done for us, helping us with the kids, and financially. It has been the extreme support that we needed to get through this year. So we appreciate you guys very much, and thank you. The next set of people I would like to recognize are our student awards. This year is going to be a little bit different. We are going to give out what is called our Rising Star Award. These are for members that are new to the club, that have shown dedication, and have inspired us to go out there and say, hey man, that's an excellent job. We really appreciate you being a part of this club. Without further ado, the first Rising Star Award is for communication and documentation. This award is presented to new students who shows exemplary communication and documentation skills that have helped their team in a meaningful way. Thank you. The next Rising Star Award I would like to dedicate is for dedication. This award is going to go to the student who demonstrates perseverance, who puts in the time, who puts in the effort, and is recognized by their teammates as doing so. This next award goes to the student who demonstrates strong understanding in the robot design process. They utilize STEM skills to develop a quality robotics design, and are deserving of recognition of this award.
Good evening. I'm Ani Tyagarajan, the team captain for Gold Dust. The next award we're going to present tonight is the Rising Star Recognition for Problem Solving. This award is presented to a new student who exemplifies strong problem-solving skills throughout the season. This skill is not only important to be successful in the VEX Robotics competition program, but also important if students choose to pursue engineering professions in the future. For these reasons, this student is deserving of special recognition.
I'm Abunar Kamanduri, the Vice President of Robotics. This next award is the BWHS Robotics Rising Star Recognition for Programming. This award is presented to a student who demonstrates a strong understanding of programming concepts. The student has utilized advanced programming concepts in the VEX Robotics competition and is thus deserving of special recognition.
My name is Nicole Chapman, and I'm club president. The next award is the BWHS Robotics Rising Star Recognition for Teamwork. This award is presented to a new student who demonstrates noteworthy team participation and teamwork to develop a quality VEX Robotics competition team.
Our next award is the Freshman All-Star Award. This is presented to the freshman student who exemplifies strong dedication, perseverance, commitment to quality in everything that they do. As a new member of Gold Dust, this individual demonstrated significant understanding and willingness to learn in the field of robotics design and construction. The BWHS Robotics 2020 Freshman All-Star is, I am proud to say, Ryan Grippy. Excellent job. Thank you. Our next award is the Excellence Award. The Excellence Award is the highest award presented to BWHS Robotics student. This is presented to a person that exemplifies overall excellence in creating a high-quality VEX robotics program as voted by their peers. This year, the 2020 BWHS Robotics Excellence Award is presented to, I am proud to say, Torin Height. Excellent job, sir.
Congratulations to all of our award recipients. We look forward to seeing most of you back next year. To all of our senior members, we wish you the best of luck in your future endeavors. Our next segment tonight is honoring our most important assets, our mentors. Mr. Clint Holderby, Mr. Nate Vogel, and Mrs. Gina Holderby. Without their leadership, dedication, perseverance, and commitment, none of this would be possible. For this reason, it is my honor and privilege to recognize our first mentor and club sponsor, Mr. Holderby. Mr. Holderby's dedication and leadership has grown BWHS Robotics from 6 students to almost 50. His relentless drive to bring out the best in each of us is key to our success. Mr. Holderby not only gives us valuable insight into the technical aspect of robotics, but also the communication, problem-solving, and teamwork skills that are integral to crafting a quality VEX robotics competition program. Thank you, Mr. Holderby, for your contributions to the Bentonville West Robotics Club.
Mr. Vogel has been an amazing co-coach for us this year. He has a very deep and passionate love for computer science. He has risen the club's understanding of programming and computational thinking to a new level. He has always been there for me personally and professionally. Thank you, Mr. Vogel, for your contributions to the Bentonville West Robotics Club.
Ms. Gina has been a great help this year by always supporting our achievements as well as our defeats, helping organize our fundraisers, and always being our #1 fan and cheering us on.
Well, thank you. First off, I'd like to congratulate all of our senior members and our award recipients tonight. I'd also like to congratulate you all as club members. Thank you for all your hard work and dedication this year. It's really paid off, and I'm very proud to be a part of this club. We had an excellent year this year. Didn't end the way we wanted it to, and we all understand that. As we look forward to next year, I'm really excited to see what you guys can do and can see how this club is going to grow. I'd like to thank everybody that joined us tonight. Thank you all, parents, sponsors. We appreciate your help in helping this club move forward and continue to grow. I'm very excited to see what we're all capable of doing next year and looking forward to it immensely. Thank you all.